very good morning to Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. We the learner of class 6 with their respected teachers Sayyida Ma'am and Shakil Sir are proud to present the shades of tradition, culture and rituals of our country through our assembly based on the topic Incredible India. बारी बारी ऋतुएं आती अपनी छटाएं हमें दिखाती फूल फलों से भरे बगीचे चिड़िया मीठे गीत सुनाती देश मेरा सबसे न्यारा कितना सुंदर कितना प्यारा The charm of India has caught the imagination of endless number of poets, thinkers and philosophers. With so many beautiful landscapes and rich history, our country is unlike any other. Now my dear friends tell you more about India and its culture. Thank you.
Good morning, respected directors, our principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. So, as we talk about Incredible India, the first thought that comes to our mind is why India called incredible. India called incredible because India is the largest democracy, the seventh largest country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilization. We have some of the world and greatest architecture such as the Taj Mahal that is one of the seven wonders of the world. Our culture, values, creativity and sustainability are admired all around the world. Thank you.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय सीमा प्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य, समस्त अभिभावकगण, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, क्योंकि आज की हमारी असेंबली का विषय है अतुल्य भारत, तो भारतीय संस्कृति में हम भारतीय पकवान और नृत्य को नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते। भारतीय पकवान दुनिया के विभिन्न देशों की तुलना में न सिर्फ स्वाद में अलग है, बल्कि इसके बनाने के तरीके भी अद्भुत हैं, जो कि कई सारे तरीकों और स्थानों की संस्कृति का मिश्रण है। और अगर बात की जाए भारतीय नृत्य कला की, तो वह भारतीय संस्कृति का मुख्य भाग और अमूल्य विरासत है। भरतनाट्यम, कथकली, मोहिनी अट्टम, कथम, गरबा, मणिपुरी, घूमर, भांगड़ा, गिद्दे, कोली, नौटंकी व कठपुतली के नृत्य इत्यादि हमारे देश के प्रसिद्ध लोक नृत्य हैं और यह सभी हमारे देश भारत को श्रेष्ठ व अतुलनीय बनाते हैं। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन सुख और मंगलमय हो।
Good morning, Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. India is tagged as the mother of so many inventions like algebra, number zero, shampoo, chess value of pi, and diamond mining. India has nearly 90,000 types of animals, including over 350 mammals, 1,200 bird species, and 50,000 plant species. India is a nation with 347 regional languages and 23 official languages, and Hindi is the mother tongue of our country. All these features made India an incredible country in the world. Thank you.
A very good morning to respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, all my colleagues, parents and the lovely students. As our young learners have tried their best to tell you about India in a very short time, and a proud Indians, we all know that our great nation is a beautiful country with a rich cultural heritage. A country that has lots of languages, festivals, religions, foods, custom and also traditions. And to encourage and enhance our legends about the India's incredible heritage, we are dedicating our assembly to the theme Incredible India. And in our school, we learn our legends to stay connected with our roots, to hold the values of our country and to take pride in our rich culture and heritage. So our school family will be delighted in seeing if students blossoming into a responsible citizen, fully alive to their responsibility towards their parents, home, society, school and country. And I want to end my say with two lines. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसलिए ही हमारा भारत महान है। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन एंड हैव ए वंडरफुल डे।